Hi, I'm Professor Stewart. So you're thinking of taking family law as your 1L elective. I want to tell you a little bit about what you can expect. In addition to teaching family law, I teach the child advocacy clinic here. So I still have a foot in practice, which means that you can expect me to have a very practical approach and practice-oriented approach to the course. There'll be lots of doctrine, lots of theory, but we'll also keep an eye on how some of this plays out in practice. So what is family law? Family law is primarily the private law, primarily state-based, that relates to how we form families. So by that I mean things like marriage or adoption, as well as how we end families. So I'm thinking primarily of divorce there. It also covers the constitutional limits that can be placed on, that the state can place on families. So those are the two main areas that we're going to focus on in the course. I should say, for those of you who think you want to practice family law, that family law in practice is primarily divorce law. And so you should know that this course is much broader than a typical family law practice. We'll cover a lot of divorce, but we're really going to cover more topics than you would in practice. So how is the course going to be structured? I'm going to do some on-call panels, so I really want to get you to participate. You'll be divided into 4 on-call panels, so you can expect to be on call once every 4th class. The course will be evaluated primarily through a closed book exam at the end of the semester, but there will be 2 other exercises that we do during the semester. One is going to be a court observation where you have to also go to court and do a short reflection piece to talk about how it relates to what we're learning in class. And the other will be some sort of problem or quiz. It could be a negotiation exercise, but it might be another type of problem. And those 2 things will be worth only a small % of your grade compared to the final exam, which will be, as I said, the majority of your grade. So I hope you take family law. It's a fun class. It's on the bar exam for those of you thinking of taking the Florida bar. And it touches a lot of aspects of our lives. So it's very interesting, and I hope you decide to sign up.